Hi everyone, my name is Nicole and I am the founder of Camila, which is an airbrush-free online platform that sells DTK cut bras. The point of this video is to ask questions, answer questions that you've asked us on Instagram, Facebook, and some of my friends have sent me on WhatsApp, all boobs, bra related, that you haven't had answers to. So I've got my little question cup here and I've pre-picked one. How tight should the hook be? So when you first buy your bra and when you start putting it on, you start off with the edge, so that's the right one here, and then you move on to the middle and then the end, the looser the bra gets. And the looser it gets from you wearing it and washing it, you then move on to the middle one, which gives you some of the tightness back, and then so on. You then move on to the last one. The idea behind it is that you get a bit more mileage on your favorite bra. If you start off on the last hook, which is what a lot of people do, basically lost like 6 months worth of a bra, because it's going to get looser the more you wear it, especially if it's your favorite one. Basically that is it. So next week I will be answering non-wired bras versus underwired. What are the benefits of both? Share with your friends, also subscribe and join us next week.